Back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to create cinematic titles in Resolve Fusion. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to create cinematic titles in Resolve Fusion, all you gotta do is simply go to Resolve Fusion. Once you have simply tapped on your Resolve Fusion, you need to simply use the text plus node to create cinematic titles. So once you have started with the text plus node, you need to use the follower modifier for letter by letter animation like delay, softness, and position. You can add effects like glow or lens blur and adjust tracking and font for epic feel. So once you have done this, you can also smooth animations in this Spline Editor and create procedural. Once you have done this, you can use the reusable titles with custom controls. After doing this, you will be able to create a cinematic title in your Resolve Fusion. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video. We will be back again really soon.